Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today on Listing for Profit, we've got a brand new listing that we are about to stage for maximum profit. Stay with us, we're going to show you how it's done. I am really excited because we are about to get started on this project. What I love is that this house is right in the center of everything. Talk about location, and we know how important that is when it comes to real estate. We are just literally, I don't know, not even a mile from the new Premier Shopping Center, and we're in the middle of everything, including a great school district. One of the things this house has is 2 master bedroom suites. Talk about a selling feature. So let's go on inside and play up the best features of this house with design and staging. Let's see who you've got working here. Hey, Kirsten, you're already working.
I am.
Awesome. So what do we have going on in here?
Well, first and foremost, we're going to decide on the bedding that's going in here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 choices. 7.
Yes.
Surely we can find something with 7 comforters. We always have lots of choices. I love it. So who else is coming today?
So we got Angel and Holly are on their way, so
Yes.
they'll be coming any minute.
All right, let's get staging. So, if anybody ever says that staging is so glamorous, it's not. It's hard work. Don't say you're not having fun, Kirsten. She's having fun. Don't let her lie to you. Oh, how wonderful is that? That was so easy, huh? Would you say easy?
Very simple.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God, Kirsten, you're amazing. Thank you. So we're back and staging is complete and pictures are done. This house is getting ready to go on the market today. So let's go and see what we did. We are in the formal living room right now. And as you can see, we just furnished and staged everything. We really didn't change much. This is all just staging. So I think it turned out really well. We took out all the furnishings that were here. We left the little corner TV stand and we added everything else back in. We had to work with a much warmer color palette than what I'm used to, but I think we pulled it together just fine by bringing in lots of color onto the library. I love how this space came out. We got to use a lot of decor. I'm not typically a fan of built-in shelving, but with this room being a dedicated library office, I think it's really nice. It gave us a chance to use a lot of our really pretty things. All right, on to the dining room. So here we are. It's totally different, totally transformed. We basically took out all of the furnishings and we did our little farmhouse white that we do a lot. We had a lot of color on this wall and just nothing that we had was working with it. So we went ahead and whitewashed the entire wall. Actually, it was a lot. It actually goes into the other room. It was crazy, but so worth it. A lot of bang for the buck. Now in the kitchen, the colors were a lot different. They were very yellow, and the sellers had just installed this very cool tone granite here, and it was just fighting with the yellow. One made the other look bad, so we went ahead and did everything a super light gray. It's almost white. I think it made such a difference. It's light, bright, and airy. Definitely not in the budget to do anything with the floors, but what we're hoping is that with everything else so nice, that the future buyer will be able to overlook just that one thing. So, now the family room, I love this part of the house. This was not part of the original home. So this is an add-on, and it gives a second living area, really beautiful fireplace. We completely whitewashed this as well. We had to whitewash the grates because there's some kind of exhaust system with this. But again, there was a blue color in here, and we painted this the same as everything else, which made it appear a lot larger. When your color is continuous throughout a space and it's not broken up, it makes everything feel bigger. Now, this house has 2 master bedrooms, which is one of its big selling features. This is the first master bedroom that we're gonna look at. So as you can see, there is so much space in this room. We just pulled out everything extra, pulled out most of the colorful things, and we just put a neutral comforter and neutral decor in here. All right, onto the other wing of the house. All right, so here we are on the other side of the house, and I love this room and how it came out. We basically just took everything out of here, we put a single bed here, and we just brightened this up with a lot of youthful colors, and I love how this came out. This one we made a little more sophisticated. It already had the blue color in here, so we worked with what we had, and we just incorporated whites and then a picture that had blue and whites in it, and I like how this came out. All right, on to bedroom 4. All right, here we are. Totally different set of colors. Again, we were working with the blue, and I love how we found the right things to work with what we had, and I think we capitalized on what was already here. I think this room works really well, and again, is gonna appeal to a whole nother personality. Now, on to the second master bedroom. This is the room that I love. I think this is my favorite room in the house. So what I did is I used a comforter that it is mostly cool, but it's got gold in it. Not a lot, but just enough to make it make sense with the yellow. We went with the gray here, and this is, all gray and silver, but still, this picture here is taupey gray and has the golds in it. So it still all kind of makes sense. We decided to go with the gray on the curtains, and you can clearly see how there could be another seating area here or whatever. We just left a lot of space so that if people, they can see, no matter how much furniture they have, they can definitely fit it in this room. We even put my favorite little console table here. This is the one that came out of the church. I love this so much. I actually found a second one, so super excited about that. And maybe we'll do a tutorial on how I faux painted that one, because this used to be very yellowy. So now, this is the part that I really love. We capitalized on the fact that this was a small area and it wouldn't take a whole lot to really transform it and make it really stand out and attract a buyer. So we did just some changes. We took the plate mirror down, we put wood flooring on the wall, we changed the mirror, we changed the light fixture, we just did all kinds of stuff. I love how this turned out. A lot of bang for the buck. We kept everything the same in the second part of the bathroom. It wasn't in the budget to change anything. We just put a gauzy sheer curtain up just to kind of obscure the view. And that's that. So let me show you that hall bath. I think that's the last thing we need to say. Okay, and here we are in the final room. This is the second bathroom. It's basically on the guest side of the house. And I like how it came out. We didn't make any major changes at all. It still has the Formica countertop. Luckily, it was already gray. That was very helpful. The walls were blue. We weren't changing it. We just worked with what we had. We used a shower curtain that brought that blue color in. We used candles and an orchid and a picture that all used those colors, and it came together really well. So this is a great opportunity of how simple staging can really change the look of a room and get you top dollar when you sell. All right, well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Super important, and ring the little bell next to the subscribe button, because we're gonna have so much great content coming up, and I don't want you to miss any of it. So you're gonna get notifications of that, and we're gonna show you how to get top dollar when you sell, and even if you're not selling, we wanna show you how to, on a budget, get a lot of bang for the buck and make your house a place that you love to live in. My name is Carrie Lawless. Thank you so much for watching.